It's been a long time coming from the SC, South Carolina, baby. Sometimes it feels like the world is against me, 'cause I'm coming from SC, from heartache and pain, struggle and strain, trying to maintain for the SC. So mama, don't worry, I'ma make my dreams happen.
Hi guys, welcome back to the TheNailJeanieSC. How are you? I hope you are well and your family is doing well. Do me a favor if you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button for me, and let's get into today's video. So guys, the brand AMDMG reached out to me around a little bit before Christmas and asked if I wanted to review one of their products. And so I said, sure. So they directed me to their website and asked for me to choose the product that I would like to review. And of course, I chose this G6 turbine dust collector. Here is the QR code where you can pause the video and scan it, and it'll direct you to the website. And this is a gorgeous dust collector. So I'm going to tell you a few things about AMDMG, the nail company, as well as the nail dust collector. So introducing AMDMG nail dust collector, the essential companion for a clean and polished nail art experience. Elevate your workspace and prioritize cleanliness without compromising on style. Our nail dust collector series is meticulously designed to keep your environment dust free, ensuring a seamless and hypoallergenic nail art application every time. The specifications for this dust collector is that it's brushless, 48 watts, 8,000 RPM fan. So that's 8,000 rotations per minute. I think it's rotations per minute. Okay. AC adapter, 100 voltage, 240 voltage. DC, 224 V2A. And dimensions is 11.8 by 8.37 by 1.73. So, as you guys can see, it came in a fairly large box. Just about almost covered my whole desk area. But once I took all of the packaging, unboxed all of the packaging, you can tell that the dust collector is very nice size. It fits very comfortable to the desk, and it's larger than most single fan dust collectors, right? So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this dust collector so you guys can get the full picture of how this dust collector look. They also sent over the filters for this dust collector. That's what you see, those white sheets in the background and packaging. About 30 filters came with the packaging, as well as the the AC/DC adapter. So I checked to make sure it was US for me, a US adapter, and it was. So I thank them for that as well. And it does have the brand name on the adapter. So if you like me and you have various electronics, you like to label your electronics so you'll know which adapter goes to what. So I like that their adapter is already labeled with their brand name. So this has a LCD screen a push pause start button. So, and the rotary of it, the rotation of it turns it on. Okay. So as you guys can see, it has a very nice grill to it. And when you lift the grill up off the dust collector, you can see the dual fans here, and it has a screen protector on the dual fan. So I'm going to be sharing all of that with you guys. So they also sent over this gorgeous set of nail stickers, but as you can see, they are Christmassy nail stickers. So I'm going to hold on to those. The instructions did come in their native language. And so I was not able to read those instructions. I can put them into Google, and it'll probably tell me everything I need to know. But it was fairly simple and easy to use. And as you guys can see, the filters cover the top of the grid. So that is great for this. You're definitely going to need the filters because you don't have a filtration like most dust collectors come with those little filters on the inside. This doesn't have that. It just have the dual fans on it. So you're definitely going to need your filters to, collect those fine particles. Okay. So I like that they sent over 30 sheets, and I'm sure you can find, with the measurements they gave, I'm sure you can find other dust collect filter sheets in the future, or even go on their website to get it. So guys, I cannot wait to share with you all this dust collector in its entirety. I hope you guys enjoy. I will leave all the information down in the description box below for you guys, so you can go check it out for yourself, and we'll be back with part 2